5 plus 5 gives us 10, and 60 divided by 2 times 10 is going to be the next equation. 2 times 10 gives us 20, and 60 divided by 20 is equal to 3. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, so P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses, and the second thing to solve is exponent, and the third thing to solve is multiplication or division, and finally we are going to solve addition or subtraction at fourth. So here is the thing. So multiplication and division have equal priority, right? So they are priority number 3, and if we encounter multiplication and division, we are going to solve left to right, right? So A divided by B times C, if we have this equation, we are going to divide A by B, and then we are going to multiply that by C. So that is what we are going to do, right? So this is what we are going to do, because multiplication and division have similar priority, equal priority. We have to do them left to right. So let's do the maths correctly. 5 plus 5 gives us 10, and 60 divided by 2 times 10 is going to be the next equation. So here we have division and multiplication. Since they both have equal priority, we are going to start from left and do the maths to the right. So 60 minus, 60 divided by 2 gives us 30. So 30 times 10 is equal to 300. So the final answer to this question is 300.